Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm super excited to take you on a tour of 13 absolutely stunning luxury living rooms. Trust me, you're in for a treat. Let's jump right in. First off, just feel that vibe. It's like stepping into a whole other realm where classic beauty meets the modern world. Pure luxury! Look at this spaciousness. The way everything's laid out, so symmetrical and balanced, it's just wow! Loving these colors. The soft grays, whites, and those gentle gold touches. It's like a visual hug, right? Walls. That molding detail is everything. And those windows, letting all that sunshine flood in. It's a photographer's dream. Sofas look, and those coffee tables are giving me major modern vibes. Perfect spot for a coffee chat. Amid all this opulence, I love how they've added these white orchids and bouquets. A touch of nature's best. Living rooms aren't just spaces. They're a whole mood, such a perfect blend of luxury with that homey feel. If you guys enjoyed this tour as much as I did, do me a favor and smash that like button. And if you haven't already, hit subscribe for more awesome tours like this one. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you in the next one.